guys! So I got my hair cut. I used to have really long hair for a very long time. I haven't had short hair since I was like 5 years old. And I'm really excited. I feel like my hair is so healthy and strong. I loved my long hair and I was very resistant to cutting it for a long time, but this year I decided that I was really excited about cutting it. I decided that I needed a change, and I think it's kind of funny that I did it in the fall because I feel like fall is all about letting things go and making changes and accepting change. So I feel like it's fitting. I'm feeling under the weather right now. So I am taking a fermented oregano drink and adding it to a little bit of water and taking that every day. I'm taking an elderberry syrup. It's actually for kids. It's an elderberry cough syrup. And I'm getting everyone in the family to take it. It's funny because Carson actually prefers to drink the oregano drink versus the elderberry syrup, even though it's for kids. But that's okay. I'm glad that he is taking something for his immune system. And I really should get on to taking my probiotics more regularly because that will help. When I'm at work, I always buy the honey lemon ginger drink. And then at home, I always make myself a honey lemon ginger tea. And I also just got a zinc and elderberry throat spray. So I've been using that to kind of soothe my throat. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for my immune system, and hopefully this cold will peace out soon.